In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide sheets in Excel. If you've ever opened a workbook and noticed that a sheet you expect to see is missing, there's a good chance it's simply hidden. This is common when files are shared, when templates are used, or when someone wants to keep supporting data out of the way. The good news is that bringing a hidden sheet back is quick and straightforward. First, look along the bottom of your Excel window for the row of sheet tabs. These are the tabs labeled with names like Summary, Data, or anything your workbook uses. Right-click any visible sheet tab in that row. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too, and on some keyboards you can hold Control and click. The key is to open the tab's context menu. From that menu, choose Unhide. If you see Unhide but it's gray and you can't click it, that usually means there are no hidden sheets in this workbook, or the workbook might be protected. If it's protected, you may need permission to change its structure before proceeding. When you click Unhide, Excel opens a small window listing all sheets that are currently hidden. Select the one you want to bring back and click OK. The sheet will reappear in the tab bar, right where it belongs in the workbook's order. If you have multiple hidden sheets, repeat the same process for each one. Excel unhides sheets one at a time, so you'll go back to the Unhide window for each additional sheet you need. If you don't immediately see the sheet after unhiding it, try scrolling through the tabs at the bottom, using the horizontal scroll bar or the small navigation arrows beside the tabs. Large workbooks can have many tabs, and the newly visible one might be just out of view. A couple of quick tips to keep you organized after unhiding. Consider renaming the tab to something clear and memorable so you can spot it easily later. You can also right-click the tab and assign it a color to visually group related sheets. And don't forget to save your file once you're done, so your changes stick. That's all there is to it. Open the Sheet tab's menu with a right-click, choose Unhide, and select the hidden sheet you want to restore. With this simple approach, you can quickly reveal the information you need without altering anything else in your workbook. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!